This is Michael Miscoe, president of your AAPC National Advisory Board. In addition to that role, I also serve on the Legal Advisory Board with my colleague, Chris Parrella. And together, we've put together a three-part workshop program, the first two parts being remote, 4-hour remote workshops, 4 hours each, and then the live component, which will be conducted as part of the Charleston, South Carolina Regional Conference this fall. And this program is designed for those that want to branch out into the world of becoming an expert witness. Now, the purpose of this course is to give you, to whet your beak, if you will, on what experts are required to do, the level of writing, testimonial, analysis, and critical thinking skills that are required to serve successfully as an expert. But for those of you that want to dive into this area as a progression to your auditing background, we look forward to seeing you. And it's going to be a small, tight group. It's going to be a lot of work, but hopefully also a lot of fun and very educational for those that attend. Look forward to seeing you there.